Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti and welcome to day 13 of our Pranayama challenge. Today we are going to do a practice that will help us to instill a sense of inner balance, both physically and mentally. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position, grounding the sit bones into the mat, lengthening the spine, rolling the shoulders away. Let's bring one hand on the belly, one on the chest, and start by taking a deep breath in and a long exhale out. Again, inhale deeply, exhale slowly. With the next inhalation, first send your breath into your belly, feeling the expansion in the belly, and then inhale a bit more, feeling the chest rising up. As you exhale, the chest falls down, followed by the belly. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the belly rise up, followed by the chest. Exhale slowly, the chest falls down, followed by the belly. Keep breathing, creating harmony in the movement of your abdomen and the chest. Now imagine a steady line running through the center of your body, from the crown of the head to the base of the spine. Imagine with each breath, both sides of your body getting more aligned and balanced. Observe how your sit bones are grounded into the mat, how your ribs are stacked over the hips, your shoulders over the ribs, and your head balanced and aligned over the shoulders. Let's take a deep breath in here. Slowly exhale out. Starting the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Gently bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Place the palms over the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes, and we'll start the practice now. You're going to start with Vritti Pranayama or equal breathing. So inhaling and exhaling for a count of 5. Let's bring both hands in Chin Mudra on the knees and start by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and relax and take a few normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Surya Bhedna Pranayama, the right nostril breathing. So bringing the right hand in Nasagra Mudra, index and middle finger at eyebrow center, and close the left nostril with the ring finger. We are going to take a deep breath in from the right side. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. In, out. In, out. In, out. Continue for 5 more rounds. Last round. And relax. Now close the right nostril with the thumb, opening the left nostril. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. In, out. In, out. In, out. Continue for 5 more rounds. Last round. And relax and bring the right hand down, taking a few normal breaths. We are going to end with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and we are going to increase the count to 5 today. So we are going to inhale for a count of 5, hold the breath in for a count of 5, exhale for a count of 5, hold the breath out for a count of 5. So left hand in Chin Mudra on the left knee, right hand in Nasagra Mudra, closing the right nostril with the thumb. Take a deep breath in from the left. Hold the breath in. Exhale right. Hold the breath out. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Hold. That was one round. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In. Hold. Out. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Continue for 2 more rounds. Gently release, bringing the right hand down, taking a few normal breaths. We'll end the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you for the final practice tomorrow. Till then, take care, rest well, and bye-bye.